Tired of business advice that requires $1 million investment? What if you could start a profitable business from your garage, or even your kitchen with just one machine? Not every business tool needs a warehouse or a massive loan. Some of the smartest machines for small businesses are just a click away on Amazon. In this video, we'll skip the fluff and show you the most practical and profit-friendly machines to help you launch, grow, or upgrade your hustle. All the mentioned machines links are in the description below. Number 12. Automatic Coffee Roaster. Kicking off our list at number 12 is the dream machine for every coffee lover. Imagine turning your passion for the perfect brew into a thriving business. This automatic coffee roaster lets you create professional-grade, light, medium, and dark roasts with just the push of a button. With a generous capacity, it's the perfect starting point to launch your own artisanal coffee brand. The market for specialty coffee is booming, and this machine gives you the tools to get a slice of that pie. From crafting the perfect morning brew to creating lasting memories, our next machine is all about celebration. Number 11. Balloon Stuffing Machine. At number 11, we have a machine that turns any space into a factory of fun. This isn't just for kids' parties. Imagine creating stunning surprise balloons filled with toys, LED lights, or even personalized messages for weddings, proposals, and corporate events. The best part? It requires zero prior skills. With simple instructions, you can start a business that spreads joy and captures a piece of the massive party and events industry. But if you want to clean up instead of celebrate, our next machine is a game changer for industry. Number 10. Laser Cleaning Machine. Coming in at number 10 is a tool that looks like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. This portable laser cleaner is an eco-friendly powerhouse. It removes rust, paint, and grime from metal, stone, and plastic without any chemicals or harsh abrasives. This is a golden ticket for contracts in the automotive, manufacturing, and restoration industries. Offer a cutting-edge cleaning service that's safer, faster, and far more effective than traditional methods. From high-tech cleaning to heartfelt handmade gifts, our next machine is all about cozy creativity. Number 9. Candle Making Kit. Number 9 proves that big profits can come in small, fragrant packages. This compact candle-making machine is your affordable entry into the booming handmade goods market. Create custom candles in any shape, color, or scent you can imagine. With demand soaring for personalized and eco-friendly home decor, this machine lets you turn a relaxing hobby into a highly profitable business from your kitchen table. And if you think candles are versatile, wait until you see what the next machine can create out of thin air. Number 8. 3D Printer. At number 8, we have the ultimate machine for inventors and creators. This 3D printer brings your digital designs to life, layer by layer. Produce custom jewelry, prototype new products, create unique home decor, or even manufacture specialized parts for local businesses. The possibilities are truly endless. It's a tool that empowers you to become a manufacturer, a designer, and an entrepreneur all at once. But if you prefer to work in 2D before going 3D, our next machine is a classic winner. Number 7. Soap Making Kit. Number 7 is a beautiful blend of art and science. This all-in-one soap making kit provides everything you need to launch a line of natural, handmade soaps. With consumers increasingly seeking out organic and chemical-free products, this machine lets you tap into a growing and passionate market. It's a creative, relaxing, and incredibly rewarding business to start from home. Now, let's scale things up. Literally. From small bars of soap to entire walls of art. Number 6. 3D Effect Wall Printing Machine. At number 6, we're taking art to a monumental scale. This isn't a simple printer. It's a game changer for interior design and advertising. Imagine printing massive, intricate murals directly onto walls in homes, offices, and stores. Offer a unique service that transforms blank spaces into breathtaking experiences. This machine puts you at the intersection of technology and art, with a very high ceiling for profit. From giant wall art to incredibly precise engravings, our next machine is for the detail-obsessed. Number 5. FoxAlien Masuter Pro. Halfway through our list, at number 5, is the Precision Powerhouse, a desktop CNC router. This machine is a cutting and engraving marvel, working with wood, acrylic, and soft metals to create signs, intricate artwork, custom furniture parts, and personalized gifts. It's the perfect tool for woodworkers, artisans, and anyone who wants to offer a highly customized manufacturing service with professional results. If you want to make a mark on the world, sometimes you need to start small, with a badge. Number 4. Badge Maker Machine. Number 4 is all about making a statement, a small, wearable, and highly profitable statement. A badge maker machine is the ultimate side hustle starter. Create custom pins and badges for schools, corporate events, political campaigns, and fan conventions. The startup cost is low, the learning curve is minimal, and the potential for bulk orders is huge. It's a fun, creative, and incredibly scalable business. But for a different kind of wearable art, our next machine is an industry favorite. Number 3. Cricut EasyPress 3. Breaking into the top 3 is the gateway to the multi-billion-dollar apparel industry. This easy-to-use heat press lets you print permanent, professional-quality designs on t-shirts, hats, tote bags, and more. Whether you want to sell your own designs online or offer custom printing services locally, this machine gives you the power to create a clothing line or a printing business from a small corner of your home. And for the ultimate sign-making and decal business, nothing beats our number 2 machine. Number 2, Vevor Vinyl Cutter. The runner-up on our list is a versatile workhorse for any creative entrepreneur. This vinyl cutter with Bluetooth is your key to a profitable sign and decal business. Create custom stickers, car decals, window lettering, and personalized gifts with pinpoint accuracy. It's the essential tool for anyone looking to offer branding and customization services to local businesses, weddings, and everyday consumers. And now, for the number 1 machine on our list, the ultimate passive income giant. Number 1, Large Combo Vending Machine. And finally, the number 1 machine to build your business empire, the Large Combo Vending Machine. This is the ultimate source of semi-passive income. Place it in a high-traffic location like an office, gym, or factory, and it works for you 24/7. Selling snacks and drinks around the clock. It's a proven, low-maintenance business model that scales easily. Start with one, and as your profits grow, you can build an entire route of money-making machines. It's the perfect foundation for a resilient and expanding business. That's it for today's roundup. If any of these caught your eye, all the links are down in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.